how to write initial sound letter K. K for cat, K for cat, K for can, K for can. So in English we have 4 lines to write. Line number 1, red line. Line number 2, blue line. Line number 3, again blue line. And line number 4, red line. हमें इन चारों लाइंस के बीच में ही लेटर्स को लिखना होता है। टॉप साइड एंड लोअर साइड की रेड लाइंस को हम डेंजर लाइन भी कहते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा लेटर इनके बाहर बिल्कुल भी जाना नहीं चाहिए। Let's keep your pencil on blue line, means line number 2, and start making a curve from here up to line number 3. Is it easy now? Let's make it again. Keep your pencil on blue line and एक छोटा curve बनाएंगे नीचे वाली blue line तक. Then pencil को हम उठा लेंगे. Let's try again. Again, keep your pencil on blue line. Then make a curve and lift your pencil. Then do it again. Make a curve. Lift your pencil. So my kids, for your practice, you have to do full page writing of letter K. So see you soon in my next video with a new letter. Keep smiling and take care. Video with a new